Bill Charette, Director of Power Systems Maintenance at the MBTA. Our department has a lot of responsibility here at the MBTA. It is an electric railroad, so just about everything that requires electricity, our department touches. We have 45 traction power substations, a 68 megawatt dual-turbine jet, which supplies power to the trains, 96 unit substations, which supplies power to facilities, stations, buildings like our operations center, and we're responsible for the maintenance and upkeep and repair of all of those systems. So it's our assets that are in our purview are quite broad. We have about 200 miles of AC cable, which supplies our traction power substations. And then we have about 1,000 miles of DC cable, which actually goes from the traction power substations to the rail, which effectively brings power to the trains. So the department, when at full headcount, is 269 employees. Right now we're at about 238. That's broken down into kind of 4 distinct areas. One is transmission and distribution. Those are our utility line workers. There's about 120 of those employees that take care of the electrical distribution network and the overhead catenary systems. We have about 70 electricians, which take care of everything from the lights in the office to power to stations, facilities. Then we have substation operators, and they maintain and repair the substation equipment and operate that equipment. Then we have some real support groups. We have an engineering support group, about 20 engineers, that really drive the work and standards for our crews. Our main focus is maintenance and repairs to make sure that the system is safely operable. Any entity that goes out in the right of way requires us to go out and make it safe for them. And we do that by supplying personnel through our power dispatch, which is kind of like the operating control center for the power network, and the communication between the power dispatchers and the field personnel. They create that safe environment by opening switch boxes or opening circuit breakers to ensure that any worker is safe in the work zone and remove the electrical hazard. There are a lot of things that people might not realize that really impact our operation, whether it be weather, and that includes heat, cold, snow, rain. All can have an adverse effect on our systems. We have to be pretty nimble and be able to redirect as necessary. Our employees really do take pride and care in what it is that they do. Their focus and is to ensure that you have a safe and quick ride to wherever your destination is, right? Really, the team makes Boston move. The system is expanding, right? In the next several months, we'll be adding another 10 miles of catenary system, another 4 substations. We're extremely excited for what the future brings.